channel. It's been a while, but I'm going to try my hardest to upload more. But today we have a squishy haul. Yes, yes. So it's gonna start off with like the least exciting squishies. So, like the normal basic squishies. And then it's gonna get to like the hype stuff. I have a dumpling that I haven't opened. I took off the packaging, but I haven't opened it, so I'm really excited. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with these cutie little aliens. So let's try to get these open. Okay, that was quick and easy. Okay, let's just hear them in the bag. Fresh out of the bag. Oh, I can't get this open. There we go. This one has some air in it, but I kind of like the, look at that. Okay, I like this one. This one, I like how there's air in it. Low key. This one, I don't know if that's good ASMR, but nice. I'm like an ASMR YouTuber. That's nice. Okay, our next one is, I'm more excited about this one than the aliens, but it's a duck filled with duck and a duck filled with ducks, and it reminds me of like the apple. Oh, I'm strong today. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. This is nice. I'm not wearing any nails right now. I took them off like yesterday. So no nail digging, but look at that. I like this one. This one's my favorite right now. I've always wanted like the big duck. This one's, oh, I like this. All the ducks, the only thing is like all the ducks like go to the bottom because you're like, but I like this. Okay, our next squishy is one of my dream squishies. I'm really excited to show y'all this. It's the viral axolotl. I'm squishing it in the car and it opened the top, but here's the squish in the bag. Okay. Ryu Sheen, oh my gosh. I'm so obsessed. My goodness. Stretch test. It stretches pretty far. I should have done a stretch test with all of them. I don't feel like these ones are gonna stretch. Yeah, they don't stretch that much. This one, but no, now this one is so nice. Can y'all hear that? I don't know why I like this so much. If I squish them all together, are you ready? The sound is W, but like it doesn't feel that different. The last one, it's my unopened dumpling. I'm really scared right now. I took off the wrapping because I was so eager, but like I didn't peek. I closed my eyes and I showed my dad. But are you ready? Y'all get to see first because I love y'all more. 3, 2, 1. What is it? It's probably like green or something. Oh my gosh! No way! It's glitter! Look! Oh my gosh. It doesn't feel good. Like, I still like the feel of axolotl more. But the feeling of getting the glitter, now that feels good. Okay, guys. Well, here are all the squishies of today. We got the cute little aliens. I love these. This duck, which is really nice. This axolotl. And the glitter dumpling. I still like the axolotl the most because it's, like, my dream. They had Nidos. I just had them. It was, like, the Nido Nice Ice Babies or whatever. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I want to do, like, find that squishy, you know? Like, you put up emojis and I have to find those squishies in emoji, which I do have a lot of fidgets. So comment down below, like, any emojis, and I'll try to find those in the next video. Bye, guys!